Hi, my name is Amanda and today I'll be doing a tutorial on how to install Windows Server 2008 using a virtual machine. If you want an environment to do this tutorial in, you can go to sun.com and download its VirtualBox and use it to create the virtual machines in which to install the operating system. So we're going to begin by opening the VirtualBox Manager since I've already downloaded it, and we're going to click on the new option to create a new virtual machine. To the right hand side pane of the manager, you can see that we're just some words about VirtualBox. So we're going to click new. We're going to enter the name of the server that we want to save. Since we're using a Windows machine, we're going to stick with Microsoft Windows, and we're going to choose Server 2008 because that's what we want to install. We're going to click Next. We're going to stick to the standard memory size. So we're going to click Next again. And here's some options, and we're going to go with create a virtual hard drive now. So we're going to use the VirtualBox disk image. I'm going to click next. Okay, so dynamically allocated is, if you have a lot of memory, you do that, so the operating system so the virtual machine could use memory as much as it wants, creating it dynamically, using it when it needs it, right? Not a set memory, but we're going to go with the fixed size since you have a limited amount of memory. So that just allocates like a particular size of memory to the virtual machine. That's all it can utilize. And here, we're just going to select a location. So we're going to leave it at the default location, now C drive, and click create, and now we're creating the virtual machine. So we successfully created the virtual machine. So again, on the right hand side of the manager, you're just seeing some of these settings listed for the virtual machine that we just created, right? So you can see the name is Server 2008 as we saved it, and we can go into these settings, and there are several settings, and each tab that you click on, you can see the specific settings related to that tab. Okay, so we're going to pay special attention to the network settings, and this is where we enable our network adapter for communication. So you can see we have several options, but we're going to go with the NAT adapter, then we're going to click advanced, and you see we're going to stick with the Intel Pro 1000 MT desktop adapter type, right? So we also have to make sure that our cable is connected. So we click OK and power on or start the virtual machine. So let's just go ahead and ask if you want to capture the mouse or not. So at this part you can see the ISO. This is the option to choose which ISO you want, right? So far they have host drive, but we're not going to use that. We have our Windows 2008 ISO, so we're just going to click to browse and select it. So we're going to select the Server 2008 ISO. So you see it automatically came up. So we're just going to click start to begin the installation process. So the installation process has begun, and we are going to go with English as the language install, and we're just going to click install now. Okay, so you see we have several options to choose from of which type of operating system, which version of Windows Server 2008 that we want to install. We can either install the standard enterprise or data center, and we can do it in full installation of Server Core. But we're going to go with full installation because we want to take full advantage of the GUIs and everything that comes with full installation, and we're going to go with the enterprise version. So we're just going to accept the terms and agreements, license, use it. And we're going to go with the custom advanced installation. We don't have an operating system installed on the virtual machine yet, so we cannot upgrade. So we're just going to go with the custom option. Okay, here you can see the space that we have available, right? So we can go into drive options, and you can see that we can create a partition to separate our operating system, to separate our space, right? So we could use part for our operating system and the other parts for our files, but we're not going to do that for this example. We're just going to leave everything as one with no partitions. So we're just going to click next. Okay, so the installation of Windows has begun, and you can see it's restarting. So for our first login, we have to change our password. So we're going to enter an alphanumeric password, which is a relatively strong password, so that it's not something that's easily figured out in case someone wants to hack the account or anything like that. So just gonna click enter and wait for our desktop to be prepared. So you can see we have successfully installed Server 2008 on a virtual machine. As you can see, we have seen the desktop, and this is Server Manager. So if we wanna alter anything, install rules or features at this point. So that's my tutorial on how to install Windows Server 2008 on a virtual machine. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.